Grüns vs. eating vegetables, can supplements replace them? As the popularity of healthy eating and wellness continues to grow, it's not uncommon for people to seek convenient alternatives to traditional meals. One such alternative gaining traction is vegetable supplements, specifically greens gummies. These tasty, chewable gummies pack a punch of essential nutrients, making them an attractive option for those looking to boost their intake. But can supplements like Grüns replace the importance of eating vegetables in our daily lives? The nutritional importance of vegetables. Vegetables are among the most nutrient-dense foods available, providing an array of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These compounds play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being, from supporting immune function to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Want in? Try Grüns VIP today. The link is in the description.